Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to use your phone as an external monitor and also how you can control your camera settings from your phone. This video will work for Lumix cameras such as S5ii or S5iix. Go to menu, click on a spanner icon to go to LAN or Wi-Fi settings. Click Wi-Fi settings and then select new connection. Now up here, you select control with smartphone. Once clicked, you will see a Wi-Fi signal icon on your camera. Now go to your phone, click on Lumix Sync app, click on the top right corner, there is a burger icon. Now click on Wi-Fi connections. Now up there, click Wi-Fi setup, select your camera. Once your camera is selected, the camera will show Lumix Sync app on the screen. Now you go back to your Lumix Sync app on your phone. At here, you press always connected. Now once it's connected, click on remote shooting. Your phone is now connected as an external monitor. Now at this point, you can make a video or take photos from your camera. Your phone can start or stop recording and take photos. You can also view the photos in live view mode as well as the videos. Now be mindful that viewing these photos doesn't mean the phone has these photos downloaded. You can also change settings in your camera. You can change the white balance from the screen. You can also change your photo style. At the moment I had LUT4, now I'm going back to standard. You can change your video settings. You can have 4K, 1080p or Full HD. You can also change the aspect ratio, 3:2, 16:9, whatever. You can set up from your phone and the camera will start reflecting that. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for your patience.